Welcome aboard on our channel, The Sikh Pilot. Have you ever heard that flying is dangerous or that airplane cabins are filled with germs? Today, we're setting the record straight by debunking the top 10 myths about flying. Let's get started. Myth number 1, airplanes are unsafe. The aviation industry adheres safety standards, including regular maintenance, rigorous inspections, and extensive pilot training. Statistics consistently show that commercial aviation accidents are extremely rare compared to other forms of transport. The meticulous safety protocols and technology in place contribute to the low accident rate, making air travel remarkably safe for passengers. Myth number 2, airplane cabins are filled with germs. It's a misconception that airplane cabins are germ-infested. In reality, aircraft cabins use ₽ɪɪḻ, which is high-efficiency particulate air filters that remove 99.97% of airborne particles, including germs and viruses. The cabin air is refreshed every few minutes, which further reduces the risk of illness. The air quality on board is often better than in many indoor environments. This advanced filtration system, combined with routine cleaning, helps maintain a healthier environment for passengers. Myth number 3, flying causes cancer. The idea that frequent flying increases cancer risk due to radiation is misleading. While it's true that passengers are exposed to higher levels of cosmic radiation at high altitudes, the exposure is still very low compared to other sources. The average dose from a flight is minimal and not considered hazardous. Airline and health organizations monitor radiation levels, and they are well within safe limits. Thus, the risk of cancer from flying remains negligible compared to everyday radiation sources. Myth number 4, turbulence will cause the plane to crash. Turbulence, while sometimes unsettling, is not dangerous and does not cause crashes. It is a common and normal part of flying caused by variations in air currents. Modern aircraft are designed to withstand turbulence and are tested rigorously for such conditions. Pilots are trained to handle turbulence and adjust flight paths to ensure passenger safety. The structural integrity of planes and the expertise of pilots make turbulence a manageable aspect of air travel, not a crash risk. Myth number 5, airplane food makes you sick. The notion that airplane food is unhealthy or causes food poisoning is largely unfounded. Airline catering follows strict hygiene and safety standards to ensure that food is prepared and stored properly. While some individuals may have food sensitivities or allergies, issues with airline food are rare. Most complaints are related to personal taste or dietary preferences rather than food safety. The procedures and standards in place ensure that the food served on planes is safe and wholesome. Myth number 6, the airplane doors can open in flight. Many believe that airplane doors can open during flight, but this is impossible due to the cabin pressure and door mechanisms. Aircraft doors are designed to be securely sealed and cannot open while the plane is in the air because the pressure difference between the cabin and outside air locks them shut. Additionally, the doors have complex locking systems that prevent accidental opening. Myth number 7, pilots get lost often. The idea that pilots frequently get lost is a misconception. Modern aircraft are equipped with advanced navigation systems, including GPS and radar, which provide precise location data and flight path information. Pilots receive thorough training in navigation and are constantly in communication with air traffic control. Flight plans are carefully monitored and adjusted as needed. The combination of technology, training, and coordination with air traffic control ensures that pilots navigate accurately and efficiently, rarely encountering issues. Myth number 8, you can't use electronic devices on a plane. The belief that electronic devices cannot be used on planes is outdated. Most modern aircraft are equipped with Wi-Fi and power outlets, allowing passengers to use devices during the flight. However, devices must be in airplane mode to prevent interference with navigation and communication systems. Airlines and regulators have relaxed restrictions over time, recognizing that electronic devices pose minimal risk. Passengers can use their devices for most purposes once instructed to do so by the flight crew. Myth number 9, flying is more dangerous than driving. The claim that flying is more dangerous than driving is not supported by statistics. In fact, air travel is significantly safer than driving. The risk of a car accident is much higher compared to an airplane crash. According to safety data, the probability of being involved in a car accident is far greater than experiencing an aviation incident. The stringent safety protocols and advanced technology in aviation contribute to its low accident rates, making it a safer mode of transportation overall. Myth number 10, airplane windows are too small to evacuate through. The belief that airplane windows are too small for evacuation is incorrect. Airplane windows are designed to be large enough for safe evacuation in an emergency. In addition, aircraft are equipped with multiple emergency exits that are strategically placed for efficient evacuation. Regular safety drills and training ensure that crew members can guide passengers through these exits swiftly. The size and placement of windows, combined with safety procedures, are intended to facilitate a rapid and orderly evacuation if needed. Understanding these facts can make your flying experience more enjoyable and stress-free. Happy travels, and let us know in the comments if you used to believe any myths related to flying. Thanks for watching. See you next time.
Wow.